The powerful ultrasonic humidifier system transforms water into fine mist and releases it into the room. Further features are: the demineralization cartridge produces mist without mineral residues, low power consumption and extremely quiet operation, the ionic silver stick as an optional accessory. This ionic silver stick inhibits microbial growth in the appliance effectively and keeps the water permanently fresh. With the swivel double jet nozzle, the U600 achieves a humidity output of up to 550 grams per hour and is suitable for rooms of up to 60 square meters. Using the hygrostat, the desired humidity level can be set on the U600 for your best comfort. The variable output control regulates the mist production. The red LED notifies at low water level. A demineralization cartridge is integrated in the transparent, removable water tank. The U600 provides cool or warm humidification. This is especially convenient in the winter. Thanks to the high performance, the ideal humidity is quickly achieved.